Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Playground. In our previous video, we conquered the installation beast and entered the exciting world of Python. Today, we are going to level up our coding skills by exploring variables and data types. Get ready to unleash your inner data magician. For that, let's just open a new file. From here, I am on the home Jupyter page, and from new, I'm opening Python 3 IPY kernel. So now let's start. Imagine you have a special box. Not just any box, but a magical box named labeled name. Inside you can store any name you like. In Python, we call these boxes variables. Let's create one like this, name, and call it name is equals to, let's say, Alice. And we'll run it. Boom. Now the name variable holds the value Alice. Easy peasy, right? We can also print it by saying print Alice. These quotations are necessary. Single quote or double quote, it doesn't matter. And I'll run it. Alice. See, it works. But variables are not one trick ponies. They can store different types of data, like numbers, text, or even true false statements. Think of them as multi talented data containers. Check these out. Age 30, age is equals to 30. It, it stores a number representing your age. Is coding fun is equals to true. This stores a true or false statement. Then lastly, we have favorite food, uh, which is say pizza. Okay, and this stores text and revealing your delicious preferences. So the first one is an integer, the first data type that stores numbers. The second is boolean, boolen, and it stores true or false statements. And the third is string, which stores texts. See, Python can handle these different data types like a champ. Let's combine them in a message. My name is this. My name is. Let's do it. Okay. We'll run this and we can say right print quotations. My name is. Then we say comma name, which is Alice right here. I can change it comma and my age. We use the quotations and say and my age is uh, is comma age. Let's put the correct name. Like my name is Aksh, and here I can also just put print name. That would directly put the variable thing. What just happened? I run that and then I run this. Then the name is changed. So what this will print is my name is name, which is Aksh, and my age is 30, which now let's run it, and it prints it. My name is Aksh and my age is 30. This code uses variables to create a personalized message. Cool, huh? Now it's your turn to play data magician. Create your own variables to store different things like your favorite movie, hobby, or city. Don't be shy. Share them in the comments below. Feeling adventurous? Let's write a mini program to greet someone using use the code print hello, comma. And after this, we can write name. So the name is Haksh and I can change it to whatever I like. Like I can change it to Aryan. So I change the name, I run it, then I can run this. Hello Aryan. Experiment by changing the name variable to greet different people in your life, maybe even your pet or a celebrity. Ready for a melee challenge? Here's one. Create a create a variable named current year and assign it the current year. Create another variable named birth year and store your birth year in it. Use the variables and operators like plus and minus to calculate your age and print the result. How old are you in Python use? You may pause the video to try it yourself. Now I'll show you how you can do that. So first we store current year, and also there cannot be any spaces in the variable name. It can also not contain any special symbols like at the rate or star or or percent anything module. Yes. So the current year is 2024. Then birth year birth year is equals to I'll maybe say 2000, and then print current current year. I use the tab key to autofill current year minus birth year. That would print your current age. If I run it, prints 24. Okay. Then I can also write uh, y- uh, my in quotation double two times. My name is no my age is comma current year minus birth year. So I can change this by doing like my birth year is let's say 1985. So my current age would be 39. So far we have seen basic data types like strings and numbers, but Python knows even more tricks. Let's explore. Floating point numbers, these are numbers and these are numbers with decimals like 3.14 or 2.718. Booleans, these are like tiny decision makers, holding either true or false. Imagine a variable storing if you are hungry. Is hungry is equals to true. Or it's rain if it's raining is equals to true. By understanding different data types, you can choose the right tool for the job in your Python programs, like picking the perfect brush for your coding masterpiece. Beyond variables. Variables are a great start, but there's more to Python universe. In future videos, we'll explore lists, and loops. Okay. Congratulations, data magicians. You have seen the secrets of variables and data types in Python. Remember, these are building blocks for exciting programs you can create in the future. Before you go, smash the subscribe button to join our Python community and leave a comment below sharing your data type discoveries. Happy coding, everyone.